Hello
friends,
friends,
welcome back to our channel. This is Abhisa and
Arun.
you are watching Arun Abhik Research channel, and today we are going to make a
Challenge.
and today he is going to ask me a 50 question in a 3 minutes. Last time I asked him a 50 question in a 3 minutes. So today he is going to ask me the same. I don't know how I can answer him or not nicely, but last time he answered me very well. You have seen that, and today let's see I can answer him or not, and who will be the winner. Let's see.
Before that, thank you for the subscribers, those who are subscribing us.
And thank you so much for your like and comment. Those who are given a good comment. Thank you so much for that, and also continually support us like this only, so that we can make a video, good video for you all.
Let's go.
You. So
time starts now. Which woman was the Jewish queen of Persia?
Esther?
Which woman did Peter raise from the dead?
Raise from the dead. Dorcas.
This woman was barren, but when God answered her prayer for a child,
Hannah.
which woman was a prostitute who married Hosea, the Old Testament prophet?
First.
Which woman was a Gentile and the great grandmother of King David?
Ruth.
Which woman was Jacob's first wife?
Jacob first wife. Leah.
Which woman was Moses and Aaron's sister?
Rebecca.
Which woman bore the twins Jacob and Esau?
Jacob and Esau.
Next, why Mary gave birth to Jesus in Bethlehem?
First.
How many demons does the Bible say that Jesus cast out of Mary Magdalene?
7.
John the Baptist ate
Locust and honey.
Jesus was what age when he was baptized?
30.
Who said to Mary, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb"?
Elizabeth.
What gift did Salome ask for after she danced for Herod?
John the Baptist said.
Who saw Jesus first after his resurrection?
Mary.
How many silver pieces did Judas Iscariot betray Jesus?
30.
What was the name of James and John's father?
Zebedee.
What was the affliction of Bartimaeus?
Blind.
In what town did Martha and Mary live?
Bethany.
What proportion of his goods did Zacchaeus give away to the poor?
Half of his property.
Which ruler of the synagogue asked Jesus to heal his sick daughter?
Cana. First.
In what town did Jesus turn into water into wine?
Cana.
Next, true or false? Just say true or false.
Okay.
Jesus was born in Nazareth. Is it true?
False.
Noah had 3 sons, Ham, Shem and Japheth.
True.
Moses fled to Midian because he had killed an Egyptian.
False.
Jonah was sent to Nineveh by God.
True.
Lazarus was healed of his blindness by Jesus.
False.
Abraham's first son was called Isaac.
False.
5 loaves and 2 fish were used to feed the 5,000.
True.
Abel killed his brother Cain.
False.
Saul was the first king of Israel. Time's up.
Time's up.
So tell me.
Okay.
Time's up, but we have to answer the balance questions without timing. Let me see how many questions you have answered. Maybe more than
Not more than 20 or so.
25, 30 out of 25.
You answered 50 out of 30 and I answered 50 out of 25 only. Oh, I'm the loser.
No, you are not loser. You know that, but you have to remember all the things. It's okay, no problem. Let's see. The balance question is there.
Okay.
Abel killed his brother Cain. Is it true?
False. False.
Saul was the first king of Israel.
False.
Say loudly.
False.
Wrong.
No. True.
Saul was the first king of Israel. That is true.
True.
Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist.
True.
Jesus saw Zacchaeus up a sycamore tree in Jericho.
True.
Joshua sent 3 spies to Jericho who hid in Raghab's house.
True.
False.
False.
Why? Because Joshua sent 2 spies.
Yes. Yeah, false.
The 10 commandments were given to Aaron on Mount Sinai.
False.
Malachi is the last book of the Old Testament.
True.
There are 29 books in the New Testament.
False.
How many books are there?
27.
Good. Haman plotted to kill the Jews during the reign of Queen Esther.
False.
Hmm?
True or false? True?
Don't ask me, say the answer.
So maybe true.
Yeah, it is true. He is the one who tried to kill the Jews.
True.
Joseph was sold into slavery by his brothers.
False. True.
Stephen was stoned to death.
True.
Okay, the 40 question is finished. Now, 10 question is personal question.
Personal question.
Yeah.
Why you have to ask me? Finish up here.
Last time you didn't finish. You asked me everything. You have to answer this also. Let me see. Which place you like to visit, which you have never seen before?
Which place? I have never seen so many places, but I like to visit. I don't have any idea of this.
You don't like to visit anywhere?
I like to visit
In India?
India. In India, Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. You never visited there, right?
No. So Darjeeling.
In what things you admire from your husband?
In what thing? He loves me, so I like that.
I want the special things from your husband.
Special. He's a very kind to me, very humble to me, and caring person. He's a really too caring person, and he's a good gentleman.
Gentleman. Which dish mostly you like to make for your husband?
That is never.
You don't like to make for me anything?
Yeah, I like to make, but I don't have that kind of special thing that I will make for you. But I want to know your special thing which you like. That one I will make for you.
What is that?
At least, like whatever I will make you eat, na.
I'm just asking what dish?
This.
What recipe?
Okay, you like Maggi, so I will make for you Maggi.
Whom you like most? Father or mother?
Both, but most mothers.
Which language you like to learn?
Which
you do not know.
Actually, I do not know. Like which language? Tamil?
You have to answer Tamil.
Tamil.
Still you do not know, na?
Somehow I know, that's why I'm
You
thinking.
know somehow, but you used to ask me, what is that?
But somehow I know, that's why I was like thinking I will answer this or like I want to learn many other language. So okay, Tamil. This is a really difficult question you are asking me.
What is your husband date of birth?
Date of birth.
Tell me.
Date of birth. June 11.
Say loudly.
June 11, 1988.
Super. What is your ambition?
Ambition. My ambition. Uh,
From childhood, you may think, I want to become like this. I want to become like a doctor or engineer or pilot or something else. You may have an ambition.
Before I was having that to become. I don't have this type of
You
ambition.
don't have any ambition in your life?
Like beautician.
Beautician.
Yes. Or otherwise. This is not really. Now I have designer.
Designer.
Yes, designer.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer. Cloth designer.
Cloth, other same.
Fashion designer.
Okay. Which pet animal you like?
Animal.
Pet animal.
Pet animal.
Which means like dog, cat.
Mostly I like the cute dog baby, that white one, no? So I like that dog. And our buddy.
Do you like Assam or Tamil Nadu?
Obviously Assam. I really miss that place. Tamil Nadu also good, but obviously I like Assam. That is my birthplace.
In which you like ride with your husband? Bike or car?
Bike.
By bike.
By bike.
Okay, that's it. The question I have finished.
He asked me very difficult question, like which I can't.
No, this is a basic question.
These are all basic questions.
Basic question only. She has studied Bible college in Assam. She know lot more than me.
No.
But I don't know why she didn't answer.
Like, okay.
Anyway, she did a good job.
Very, very good job. I did very, very good job. So, he's the winner, and
There is no winner and loser.
in this channel, in this challenge, he have win this one. So, what can I do for you?
Just make something for me to eat.
So guys, if you like our this video, so please do like, share,
Comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. And one more thing, stay at home.
Be safe.
Be safe, and don't go outside here and there. Please stay at home.
And enjoy with your family.
Okay, see you.
See you in next video. Bye.
Bye.